Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to take an ECG now. First, confirm your Apple Watch model and watch OS updates and enable ECG in the Health app. This connects data to your iPhone. Next, sit comfortably and rest your arm on a flat surface so the watch stays still. Remove metal that can interfere and dry or slightly moisten skin for better contact. Once done, place the watch snug on your wrist and position the opposite index finger lightly on the digital crown to begin the recording. Open the ECG app on the watch and confirm which wrist you're using, then tap to start the 30-second recording. Keep very still and breathe normally. Movement or talking creates noise and can invalidate the trace. Lightly touch the digital crown with the index finger of your opposite hand and maintain contact for the full interval. The watch measures electrical signals between the crown and the sensor beneath the watch. When the timer finishes, the app processes the data and shows a rhythm classification. After the recording, tap Save to store the ECG in the Health app on your iPhone. You can export a PDF to share with your clinician for review. If the result is inconclusive or noisy, wait 10 to 15 minutes, relax, and repeat. Improved contact and stillness often fix issues. If you get repeated errors, clean the back sensor, adjust strap tension for better contact, ensure Bluetooth is connected, and confirm iOS/watchOS are current. If problems persist, contact Apple support or your healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.